Hi guys, it's DK388 and welcome back to another video. In today's video we have a outdoor floodlight which we're going to replace. I got this one off Screwfix, about £11, similar sort of spec, 20 watts, 2000 lumens. The current one has failed, as you can see in this video, which keeps flashing, so the cob light's gone, so we're going to replace it with something similar to nearest spec. Just got some basic tools, flathead screwdriver, electrical screwdriver and some electrical connector blocks and some gloves. So first things first, before we do any electrical work, we'll switch it off at the main board. Just a little disclaimer, if you're unsure about electrics or DIY electrics, always seek the services of a professional, but since this is my own house, I'm going to just turn off the downstairs lighting circuit, and then at the junction box or the whisker box I'm going to undo these four corners, just a quarter turn. I'm going to open it up and see what we have. So looking at it, we have like a twin core and earth setup, where the live and neutral is used and then the earth is just sleeved. So on a connector block we're just going to disconnect these two screws holding the live and neutral and disconnect them away from the supply, and then from there we can just pull it out from the whisker box, the junction box. Just filming this one-handed, so it's a bit difficult. Just pulling out the rubber seal, and that's the light fitting completely separated from the connection, and then we can remove the fitting and then we can remove the bracket, and just like that, power the camera, we can put the new bracket in and then refit the new light to the cradle. And then all that's left to do is to connect the new cable, new flex, to the junction box. So I'm just going to reverse it. I'm going to slot back the flex back into the rubber inlet, back into the junction box. Once it's in, we can push it through. Sometimes these have a grommet, but on this occasion this one doesn't seem to have one, so I'm just leaving it as it's been installed and just reversing the process and pulling the cable through. This fitting does have a earth, so what we're going to do is I'm going to use a spare connector block. I'm going to connect the neutral and live as previous, and then using a third block I'm going to connect the two earths together. So a little disclaimer again, if you're unsure about electrics, home electrics, DIY electrics, always consult the professional services. Once it's all connected, we can re-energize the light, and initialization, the light comes on, so we know it all works, and then we just got to wait for it to go dark just to test the settings, make sure that you're happy with what's been set to, and then we can reset the cover back on, and that's the light finished. Overall it took about an hour. So I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching.